What is special about the spine trauma course? I would say everything. First and foremost is the experience here at SSF in terms of putting on high-level educational content. You have the mixed media approach, the worldwide impact and the accessibility of the information, so we're not just limited to those who are able to make it to Seattle.
This is one of the only courses I know that focuses just on spine trauma. So we are able to take a very deep dive into techniques and procedures related to spine trauma specifically.
We try to attract speakers who have slightly different views or slightly different takes on a particular subject. And I think when you're here present in person, it's really a lot easier to question, to really push and try to find out, well, given the available knowledge and the variation in practice, where you would like to see your practice going.
Together, we're able to build a program that really not just acknowledges where we've come from, but it also paves the way and demonstrates where we're headed. Looking at all of our lectures, they're really designed to educate people at all levels of training, whether it be the medical student or resident level where you're trying to learn the fundamentals, or if you're a more experienced surgeon and push the boundaries of the care you provide.
So whether it be in person or virtually, if you're a master surgeon or just starting out, please join us on November 20th and 21st for the 12th annual SSF Spine Trauma Summit.